Welcome friend. In this video we see example of Newton Gregory formula for backward interpolation. On your screen I have written some values of the dependent and independent variables. X equal to the years, census year 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, and the population which is in the lakh. So 46 lakh, 67 lakh, 83 lakh, 95 lakh and 102 lakhs. Now we have to estimate, find, suppose the find f of 1975. So this is my value. I want to estimate what is the population in the year 1975. So you can see that this 1975 is lies between 1971 and the census 1981 at the end of the table. So we use the backward interpolation formula, and the backward differences. This is my a plus nh term, or we call it as a xn, and uh, this is f of a plus nh. So backward difference, again difference of these two, that is 102, 95 minus 102, 102 f of a plus nh minus f of a plus n minus 1, f of a plus nh minus h, n minus 1 h, difference of these two. 102 minus 95, the difference of these two is 7. 95 minus 83, 95 minus 83, this will be 12, and 83 minus 67, 83 minus 67 is 16, 67 minus 46, and this is 21. So Nepla square, difference of these two, 16 minus 21 minus 5, 12 minus 16 minus 4, 7 minus 12 minus 5, Nepla cube, minus 4 plus 5, minus 5 plus 4, Nepla raised to 4, minus 1, that is a minus 2. So this is our Nepla f of a plus nh. This is Nepla square f of a plus nh. This is Nepla cube f of a plus nh, and this is Nepla raised to 4 f of a plus nh. Now what is the formula? Pnx equal to f of a plus nh plus u into Nepla of f of a plus nh plus u into u plus 1 f of a plus Nepla square f of a plus nh divided by 2 factorial plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by 3 factorial Nepla cube f of a plus nh plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 u plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into Nepla raised to 4 f of a plus nh. So these are the required values up to which we can put the values, and all other values will be 0. So first we find what is here u. U equal to x minus a minus nh, x minus a minus nh divided by h equal to, this is x minus a plus nh divided by h. Now see the difference of these two. Difference of these two, h is equal to 10, and x is the required value, that is x equal to 1975, and here x plus nh, that is the last value, 1981. So u equal to 1975 minus 1981 divided by 10 equal to minus 6 divided by 10 equal to minus 0.6. This is value. So f of 1975 equal to f of a plus nh 102 plus minus 0.6 into Nepla f of a plus nh, here Nepla f of this is 7 plus minus 0.6 and plus 1 0.4 divided by 2 factorial into delta, that is minus 5, 0.6 into 0.4 and this u plus 0.6, that is 1.4 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube, this is minus 1 plus 0.6 into 0.4 into 1.4 into 2.4 divided by 4 factorial into this minus 2. So these are the values. Now you need to use a calculator, non-programmable calculator. By using the non-programmable calculator, you can find easily apply these values. I have already calculated this, and 102 minus 4.2 plus 0.6 plus we get 0.0112 minus 0.1008, and the total estimate will be 98.3104, and this is an approximate value. So the Sensex value in 1975, this will be 98.3104 lakhs. So in this manner you can use the Newton Gregory Newton Gregory formula for backward interpolation. Thank you.